Today's game is the Easter egg hunt. It's spring, but fire season has started. Well, I just follow my dog. Is this a German lesson as well? In
yes, it is.
Was not expecting snow. Hey, we're all learning today. Alright, good morning. Welcome back to the tiny cabin. It is Easter Sunday, and we've got a couple of jobs to do today. We have to do some more debris cleanup. We've got some big piles we have to get rid of today. But before we do any of that, it is Easter Sunday, so we should have pancakes and a little Easter egg hunt for the kids.
Talks about the Hilux, what top gear did to that Hilux. Somebody in the comments, we've got 2 Toyota trucks, one that we sold that's still running strong at 360,000 K. Ooh, is this me? Mm-hmm. Thank you.
We should do at least one with the beep. Putting peeps in my pancakes before I flipped them wasn't... I don't think it was the best idea.
It's never stopped you before.
Hey, we're all learning today. I guess I'm just going to have a really sugary pancake. It just started snowing. Snowing.
Can you believe it?
Can you believe it?
No.
Can you believe it?
In this economy?
Today's game is the Easter egg hunt. The kids are looking for these. Ready?
Oh yeah.
There are 2 rules.
Okay.
Well, they're not even rules, they're just You know what? Whatever.
Guidelines.
One about Egg Club.
Don't talk about Egg Club. This is what you're looking for.
Yeah.
Okay.
Never
Each next cluster of eggs can be seen from the one you're collecting.
Okay. So it's
All
a
right.
trail.
It's a trail. Yeah, so you can find the eggs, look around, and you'll find the next set. Ready, set, go. Oh, they used to be so young. I thought I was being really clever in saying that each next one was visible from the last one.
Yeah,
So if you pick it up, you can look around and find the next one. Easy.
They weren't listening.
Let's go, Pads. Let's go find them.
Hey.
Oh, you'll be fine.
So I have a torn ligament in my foot.
Oh, yeah. Good luck.
I'm scared I'm going to find a nesting squirrel in here. So funny.
I should probably help you.
Can you stop vlogging?
Can I stop vlogging and actually help?
This one's so old, it's really scary.
You can do it.
This one's not working.
It's like the Fifth Element. Ah, come in. I ain't got no fire. I ain't got no fire. I ain't got no fire. I ain't got no fire.
Wow.
I'm in my happy place. There's the sun right behind me. And today we're going to work on a lot of cleanup. It's spring, but fire season has started. We're going to get the kids doing some cleanup. We're going to get as much as we can done before Jodie and I come back in a couple of weeks to take on more. Where's the dog? Oh, crap. There he is. Paddy! Paddy! How do you get exercise? Well, I just follow my dog. It's going to be a long, laboring day, but ultimately satisfying. Yeah, we need a hatchet and... Oh, you want it cutting down? One. Actually, we could probably put this back and Mummy would appreciate those little ones. If you just drive forward and put the trailer between at the end there, then we can catch the pile on the left and the pile on the right. Alright, so let's get rid of all the thin wispy stuff. Let's get that on the trailer from there, from over there, and the pile behind us. And then these ones, I think we can probably chop them up and Mummy will use them as for firewood. Alright?
Yeah.
That good? You are now a star on the channel. Special guest star. Yeah, if you don't mind. I got these pile here and that pile there. All the wispy stuff I'm trying to get rid of.
All the wispy stuff. Okay. We'll just toss it on there.
Just crank it on. We'll flatten it down with some. Thanks, Ben. This episode sponsored by Ben.
Well, like I said, these are only, I think, 8 feet long. Okay. So they won't go across my deck, especially if I got something under.
Oh, if you got a load in this?
So they're no good to me. Sponsored by Ben, offloading his junk. Offloading his junk.
These are solid. Nice. Okay. That's one pile done. What have you done? Are you dropping stuff?
Yeah.
Are you driving too fast?
I dropped the other glove somewhere.
You dropped your other glove.
Yeah.
Take it easy.
This is my way of taking it easy.
There we go. Shed is restacked with everything on this side now that's burnable for this year, and nice empty space for the new stuff, which the guys are bringing me to split. That was a bad cut.
Strong mama.
Well, I did try and pick the best stuff. The really moldy stuff is all in the trailer
Okay.
to go dump.
Okay.
Oh, you mean?
So I mean, it is pretty wet. Look.
Yeah, I didn't know if that was just surface.
It could be. So thoughts, Nat? Oh, you're trying to do it in German.
Sorry. What's 15 in German?
Fancy.
Funse. That one's at least funse.
No, hang on, that's not Funse. What am I talking about?
What?
Sorry, Sorry.
Is this a German lesson as well in private?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Can't remember which is Funzig and which is Funse.
Well, we could just stick to English for now and...
No,
Hang on.
Funse. Funse.
Funse. Okay.
It is much damper than you think it is.
Okay.
So,
All right.
but yeah, this side's fully stacked to the ceiling.
Nice. Look at that.
This is all to burn this year. This is
This
good
is this year's
to go.
burnable. All right. We're going to need another woodshed at this point. Okay, I feel more like a foreman today. Just making sure each of the teams is doing their thing. I don't know which team to leave on their own. Team Mouse with an axe, or Team Teenager with a quad. Ah, they'll be fine. Look at that teamwork there.
So it's left to go right, right to go left. It's the opposite.
This is an educational trip. That's what this is.
Oh my god. Well, you haven't hit anything yet, so that's good. Nailed it. First try. Flawless.
Good job! I was watching Loretta and Jason's video the other day. They had their kids helping to build a solar shed, which is really quite interesting. If you go and check out their video. And they were asking whether or not it constituted child labor. And I think no. It's all an educational and learning experience. I've been chopping up the next pile for them, and they've disappeared. They haven't come back yet. I think I can see the quad just sat there. I found them. They were all gathered around discussing lunch. I mean, it's 11:53. Come on.
I'm ruining your video, sorry. Nothing's bubbling. I see bubbles. Like
Snow or hail? That's
I think it's hail. Granted, it could be different snow than at home, so.
yeah.
That's hail.
Or it could just be very fine. Was not expecting snow.
Oh, is it looking at me? Yeah. Oh shoot! This whole time I've been recording myself. If you've ever wondered how geeks finish Easter weekend in a forest, I'm going to show you.
I don't like the green one though.
Oh, no way! The green is Luke and Yoda. Woo! Too close.
That's my favourite. It looks way more impressive in the dark.
Yeah. I know. Next time I'm bringing mine up too.